Hello. I want to take a minute to talk about the new feature added to our Vicinity 4.32 release, which is our March 2023 release, specifically about the scheduling of an MRP regeneration. As you're probably aware, if you're already using MRP, that we can fire off or initiate a regeneration of MRP manually through this screen. So at any time you want to, you can make your selections and hit the regenerate now, and it'll go and do its work. You can also probably know that you can schedule this out in like daily at 6 a.m. in this scenario, and then you leave that open on your workstation, and every day at that time, MRP will regenerate off of your client. You can also take this same scenario and run it on the server, which means that you're running the MRP, you're running Vicinity technically on the server, and it will fire it off as well. That's what we've had for years. We've actually taken it another step so that you can add more control over this regeneration. And specifically, we're leveraging some of the Windows operating system technology to actually call our MRP regeneration. So your IT staff, whether it be in-house, outside, etc., could set up this job on the server to run whenever you want to. We actually introduced this concept under the component cost rollup on the last release, and we've taken it to MRP now. There's a tool out there called Task Scheduler. This is an operating system tool. It's not by Vicinity. Microsoft provides it. And I have created a couple local tasks here just so you can see which ones we've got. I've got a component cost rollup running every day at a certain time, and then this is the one that is new, and this capability is new. I actually have MRP regenerating every day at 2 a.m. I could actually have multiple occurrences of this. If there was a reason you needed to regenerate MRP multiple times during the day, you could do that. You can have an unlimited number of occurrences in this. Now in this session, I'm not planning to go through all of the setup, but I did want to talk about just a couple of the quick tasks. You can create a new task, you'll give it a name, and then you talk about what is the trigger. In this case, the trigger is going to be at 2 a.m. every day, and then what it does after that is it runs a program. This is the part you'll see it in our user guide, but here is the program name you're looking for on the web service, in the web service folder. If you don't know what that means, no problem. Contact our support and we'll be happy to kind of push you in the right direction. And then there's a space, and then this parameter or value. This is actually the company ID within Vicinity that I'm calling. So basically it's saying, I want you to go run the MRP regeneration for this specific company. And you pick up this company ID actually under setup company within Vicinity, and this is that database name. That's what you want to use when you set that parameter right here. So it's the file name space and then the company ID. And that's all there is to it. And then from there you can run it and have it regenerate MRP on demand, or well, you can do it on demand, but on scheduled events. This is the exact same technology being used on the component cost rollup, so you can do the exact same thing. In history, you can keep track of when it was run, what the result was, etc. And if it doesn't run, Task Scheduler can contact you via email, etc. So the whole deployment of the schedule and management of the schedule is actually a Windows tool resource under Task Scheduler. What Vicinity has done is made this file available for it to call and actually be able to run MRP for you. So hopefully this helps, maybe help you automate some tasks that maybe you're doing manually. And if there's anything we can do in that type of role, that type of automation, please let us know. We're happy to add it to make your life a little easier. Thanks a lot and have a great day.